Welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Barun, and in today's video, we are taking a quick look at how to set up a Zap for your chatbots. Let's start. Let's head over to our chatbots. So, the key part or the key aspect of setting up a Zap for your chatbots is to map all the interactions that you want to pass via Zapier to a contact field. Now, do check out our video on our field library to learn more about our different fields and different objects. But yeah, for chatbot to pass it via Zapier, you will need contact field. So make sure you map all the interactions to a contact field. On this particular chatbot, I will be asking a few questions to the client, and my goal is to pass the name, the email, their annual revenue, their expected visitors on the website, and the date and time of the meeting to a third-party application using Zapier. So to do that, I have gone ahead and mapped the relevant questions. So let's say I have a question: what is your expected e-commerce revenue? Now I will use the option in conversation as a contact field. I will select the relevant contact field annual revenue, which will be capturing or storing the answer for this to a pick list. Then it has already populated the predefined value. Save it. The other question that I want to pass is, what is your expected website traffic, which is already mapped. So I am all set. Now let's head over to the Zapier setup. So I already had a pre-built Zapier for the demo. Now I'm using booking schedule because I want to pass the date and time of the meeting as well. That is not a contact information or not saved to a contact details. That is a booking detail. So I'm using booking schedule along with find contact. So on the find contact option, I'm using the email as the contact, which will go ahead and identify that and then send the relevant information. I'm sending the information to Google Sheet. So I have gone ahead and configured the contact name, which is a contact field, contact email, the annual revenue contact field that we map to the interaction regarding their annual revenue here to the revenue field, and the expected website visitor or traffic. And then from the booking schedule, from the booking schedule trigger, I have gone ahead and pull up the information for the meeting date and time. So let's try a test here. I'm using the new latest detail for the booking and continue and retest. And that goes continue, retest step. So that should go ahead and pass the detail to the third-party Google Sheet, that is. And here we have the name, the email, annual revenue, expected website visitors, and the date and time of the meeting that has been scheduled. So that is how you can efficiently go ahead and pass information from a chatbot to your third-party integration via Zapier by mapping them to a contact field and using the relevant booking triggers. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.